Shandong Perfect Building Material Company Limited is a professional supplier of decorative and insulated exterior wall panels. We are committed to providing exterior wall decoration, insulation, and renovation solutions for various types of buildings, including factories, hotels, residential buildings, villas, gardens, prefabricated houses, container houses, and mobile homes. As a supplier located near Qingdao Port in Zibo City, we have convenient logistics and export capabilities to deliver products promptly worldwide. After years of development, we have made significant progress. Our factory is equipped with over 7 sets of specialized equipment, and our annual production capacity exceeds 720,000 square meters. We have obtained ISO 9001 certification to ensure that our products meet quality standards. We also have a professional technical R&D team that can support and complete OEM, ODM projects to meet customers' personalized requirements. We have an efficient sales service team to provide 24-hour consultation and support to customers. We value communication with customers and strive to meet their needs. Our products have a competitive price advantage, attracting customers from around the world. We have successfully exported our products to more than 40 countries, including Serbia, Turkey, Israel, Chile, Colombia, Russia, Azerbaijan, United States, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, South Korea, and Japan. We highly value cooperation with customers and strive to provide high-quality products and excellent services. Please feel free to contact our sales team.